Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jossy and on this channel I share a lot about photography, natural hair and lifestyle. So if these are topics you're interested in, you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications so you never ever miss a post again. Today we're going to be breaking down the most important hair care terms every beginner should know. And if you're just starting your healthy hair journey, whether you're natural, relaxed, transitioning or protective styling, these terms will save you from confusion, wasted products, breakage, and frustration. And by the end of this video, you will speak hair care fluently. You will also understand what your hair needs. You'll make better decisions for length retention and growth. Without further ado, let's get right into it. The first term will be strand, a single piece of hair. You have thousands of hair on your head. Understanding the behavior of each strand helps you choose products, handle your hair gently, and actually retain length. Next, we have follicle. This is the tiny tunnel in your scalp where each strand grows from. Healthy follicles equals healthy hair.
That is it!
And cuticle is the outermost layer of your strand. It opens and closes depending on moisture, heat, pH, and products. Most breakage and dryness happens when the cuticle is damaged. Now, cortex is the middle layer of your hair where the real strength lives. This is where deep conditioning, protein, and chemical treatments actually make changes. Then we have texture. Texture refers to how fine, medium, or coarse individual strands are and not your curl pattern. Curl pattern, the famous type 3, type 4 system. It describes the shape of your curls, wavy, curly, coily, and it's not the most important factor. Porosity is. We'll talk about what porosity is later on. Now let's talk about humectant. A humectant pulls moisture from the air into your hair. Examples are glycerin, honey, aloe vera, which are great for hydration. But it's important that they are balanced with oils and creams. Then we have emollients. These soften the hair and make it feel smooth. Examples are butters, oils, fatty alcohols. Then we have occlusives. These seal in moisture into the hair so it doesn't escape. Examples are shea butter, castor oil.
I know you what you stop.
Then we have clarifying. Clarifying simply means using a strong shampoo to remove buildup from products, sweats, and oils. We need to clarify our hair at least once a month. Now let's talk about hair conditioning terms. First of all, we have deep conditioning. Deep conditioning simply means using a rich treatment to strengthen or soften your hair, and it's essential for healthy hair, especially natural hair. Then we have protein treatments. Protein treatments repair weak, damaged, or breaking hair, and they are great for shedding, color treated, or chemically processed hair. But too much of protein actually leads to stiffness. Then we have moisture treatment. Moisture makes our hair soft, flexible, and hydrated. It's needed by everyone, but especially us with curly or coily hair. Then we have sleep. Sleep refers to how easily a product helps your finger or combs slide through. Products with high sleep will help you detangle your hair a lot easier. Oh my god! Cold wash. Cold wash means washing your hair with conditioner instead of shampoo. It's good for dry hair, but our hair also requires occasional shampooing. Another time will be breakage. Breakage means snapping of the hair from the shaft. Is different from shedding, and it happens due to dryness, rough handling, tight styles, and heat damage. There's also shedding. Shedding means natural hair fall from the roots with a white bulb attached. Everyone sheds 50 to 100 strands of hair every day. There's also the term porosity, which means how well your hair absorbs or keeps moisture. Low porosity means your hair is sort of moisture resistant, and medium porosity means it's balanced, and high porosity means that your hair dries out quickly. Porosity absolutely affects your entire routine. Then there are single strand knots, which are tiny knots from when your curls wrap around themselves. Those fairy knots, I hate them so much.
Oh God of mercy.
This is very common among type 4 hair individuals. Now let's talk about scalp pH. Your scalp's ideal pH is close to 5, but products with balanced pH will help you reduce the risk of irritation, dandruff, and dryness. And protective styles will be another important term. This is a hairstyle that reduces manipulation and protects the ends. But guys, I'd like you to know that a protective style is only protective when your hair is moisturized and tension-free. It must not be tight. Manipulation is another term. How often you touch your hair, comb your hairstyle, or handle your hair. low manipulation actually helps you retain length, which brings us to length retention, which is your real goal. Your hair is always growing and you must protect your ends so you don't lose length. So this is what length retention means. Then heat damage is permanent changes after your curls are exposed to excessive heat, and most times they have to be cut off. Then transitioning means growing out chemically relaxed hair to return to natural hair. Then pre-poo. Pre-poo means applying oil or conditioner before shampooing your hair to reduce dryness or tangles. Then we have LOC or LCO method. This refers to a layering method to moisturize the hair, and they mean liquid oil cream or liquid cream oil, as the sequence implies. Then we have low poo or no poo, which are gentle cleansing method using very mild shampoo or no shampoo at all. We have words like sleep, sealing, and
Whoever gave you this idea?
softening agents, which are common beginner terms often seen in products and routines. Okay, now let's talk about a diffuser. Diffuser is a blow dryer attachment that reduces frizz and defines curls. A satin bonnet or a silk scarf is one that prevents friction or dryness and breakage at night. Then we have dusting. This means trimming tiny amounts off your ends to prevent split ends. TWA means teeny weeny afro, and they're usually the starting stage for big choppers. So guys, you now understand over 30 foundational hair care terms, which means that you're ready to build a proper routine, read product labels with confidence, and take better care of your hair. Now comment down below which term was new for you. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss our next lesson on moisturizing, porosity, and real hair growth tips. Thank you for watching. Your healthy hair journey starts now.